Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about foam industry and our new brand VILUTRA MK-1020 foam measurement tester. We have divided our product into 3 different parts so you can understand it very briefly and very easily. First, I would like to give you the information about the mixer part, which is actually used in synonymous with the software that we have here. Also, I would like to add that the software is produced in 3 different languages for global use. Here you can see Turkish, English and French languages for the software that we are using. In the software, we have 2 different statements that we can use. One is automatic, where you put on the product ingredients and just use it automatically by using the pedal over here. And also we have the manual system that we can use by making the necessary arrangements from here. Now, I would like to give you a demonstration starting with the automatic system that we use. Right now, we have 2 different usages here for 5 seconds and 200 RPMs and 10 seconds for 3000 RPMs, which is actually used during the necessities for the foam industry. Here, you can see the 2 different ingredients that we use over there, which is actually polyol. We use polyol and iso in different measurements. Now, as we have spoken about the usage and the main parts of the mixer, I would like to give you my receipt where you can see the demonstration for the usage that we are going to take. Now, as I have mentioned before, we are using 2 different ingredients, polyol and iso. We already have the polyol inside here and we have already taken the tear. Right now, I would like you to add the iso with me here. We are going to need 100 grams for this, and here I will open my tear, take the tear, and then we are going to see it. It has to be 100 grams. For the recipe that we are making right now, we are going to need this mixture to be mixed for 5 seconds in 2000 RPMs, which is already prepared as automatic in our software, as I mentioned before. Now, when I put this here, like this, and then if I put my... Well, there's actually... This can sometimes happen when we put our foot on very hardly, then there can be a problem. So, in order to keep on working, we open the shutter over here and then now, as it was used in an automatic way, I am directly taking my mixture over here into my box in order to be tested. And after that, what is important here for us is to test this. Now, as you can see, we have 3 different ways in order to test. First one is high, the other one is pressure, and the other one is weight. Now, what is important here is one test takes 10 minutes in order to be able to understand what is going on with the product that we're using. Now, I'm going to start our test here. Within the graphics, there are 3 different graphics, and within the graphics first, you can see the height here and the pressure in Pascal, of course, not in grams, because for the end product we are using Pascal in global market. And here you can also see the weight. Now, as we have seen the boxing part, we have started our test over here. As you can see, we have 3 different graphics. First one is height, the other one is pressure, and the third one is weight. Here you can see our pressure is used within the Pascal measurement, which is globally used within this sector of foam. And approximately our test takes 10 minutes, but if you want to stop it manually, you can use the stop test button over here, and if you would like to take the reports for these, then you can just put on the, click on the take report part of the system and then take the end report for them.